Body of missing Kitson Town man and woman found in abandoned building. Man fatally stabbed in Christiana. 6-year-old boy among 3 shot in Anova home invasion. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The bodies of 2 persons who were reported missing Sunday have been found in the Nestberry Grove area of Kitson Town, St. Catherine. They have been identified as Georgia Blunt, a 38-year-old water vendor, and Rule Fuller, 42, both from Bendon District in Kitson Town. Police stated that a relative of one of the deceased attended the Guanabo Vale police station and reported that both persons left to meet water deliveries about 7:30 a.m. on Saturday. The report indicated that about 1:57 p.m. the same day, Blunt called and revealed that they were about to meet the last delivery and come home. The 2 have not been seen or heard from then, hence the report was made and the police assisted with searches. About 9:45 a.m. on Monday morning, police received information that both bodies were found in an abandoned building. Police are probing the fatal stabbing of a man in Christiana, Manchester on Monday night. He has been identified as Glenford Isaac, 31, otherwise called Jermaine, a resident of Silent Hill district in the parish. A 6-year-old boy was among 3 persons who were shot and injured by gunmen during an attack on their home in Hopewell district in Sandy Bay, Anova on Sunday. No motive has yet been established for the attack.